Welcome. If you're looking to connect with your friends or teammates on Discord using your phone, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk through the simple steps to start a phone call on Discord using your Android device. Let's dive right in. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. If you haven't installed it yet, you can easily find it on the Google Play Store. Once you've opened the app, make sure you're logged into your account. Next, it's time to find the contact you want to call. Navigate to your friends list or server where they're located. You can do this by tapping on the friends icon at the bottom of the screen, or by selecting the server from the left sidebar. Once you spot the person you want to connect with, simply tap on their name to open up the chat window. Now, you're just one step away from making that call. Look at the top right corner of the chat screen, and you'll see a phone icon. Go ahead and tap that phone icon, and just like that, you'll initiate the call. And there you have it. You're now on a phone call with your friend on Discord. It's that easy to connect and communicate. Whether it's for gaming, catching up, or collaborating on projects, Discord makes it seamless. If you found this guide helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tricks about using Discord effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy calling.